Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to put a text behind person effect using CapCut on PC and laptop, and it works for mobile phones as well. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up CapCut on your PC, laptop or phone, and then what you want to do is click on new project. Wait for this to load. I'm going to import the video where I want the text to be behind them, so I'm going to drag this video down here like so. So if I press play, I want to put text behind these people walking. So now to do so, I'm going to add a text box in like so, and now drag this down here. And now what I want to do, match the video length of the video, and now click on the default text to change what it says. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to put in beach walk. Alright, if we press play, you see where it says beach walk. Looks a bit boring, so we can make that look better. So we got these preset styles here. You can choose any one of these, or you can create your own. Just have a muck around the colors and all that, but for this demonstration I'm going to keep it nice and simple. You can also add animation to the text, like have a fade in, fade out. You can get a typewriter effect and all that good stuff, but for this demonstration I want to keep it nice and simple. Alright, so if I go ahead and press play, we got this text here and it's in front of the people walking. So to change that, what we need to do is export this video to your PC or phone, whatever you're using. Alright, select folder, I'm going to export it. Alright, that's been exported. So now what I want to do is create a new project like so, and then click on import. And now you want to import that video that's got the text on it. So if I press play, as you can see the text there, so you want to drag this video down, and then you want to import the original video like so and drag that down too. Make sure it matches the video length of the other video. And now click on the video that doesn't have the text, and you want to click on cutout, and then you want to click on auto cutout, and this will process, as you can see, applying auto cutout. So after this is done, if I press play, the text behind the ladies walking on the beach, just like that. So yeah, it's as easy as that, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.